What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I'm so excited to bring you guys this video because this is definitely something that I've been looking to give you guys an update on. And now that I have a lot of the information, not all the information, but now that I have a lot of the information, I'm so excited to bring you guys this update because someone in the live stream today was asking me about that. They were asking me about Zelda and wondered what was going on with it and if we were going to see any type of changes, any type of new news that comes out for it. And I wanted to give you guys this update, and I'm going to give you guys this update here today. It's really, really exciting because while people thought they missed out on the opportunity of getting in Zelda in the beginning, now you're able to get into Zelda 2.0 and be a part of that and be a holder in that. Now, I'm going to explain everything about this because it is very, very exciting. It pertains to all of the current Zelda holders, any of the new people that want to come on. There's a lot of different stuff, and it's just going to be absolutely phenomenal. So guys, could you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you share this with everybody so they know what's going to happen, because we're looking for newer projects that may have a lower starting market cap that we can push up to a further market cap and, and beyond, right? Depending on how many exchanges you have, how many new listings you have, how many new people that join the overall community, it could be absolutely massive. And to tell you the truth, from the beginning, from the first initial launch of Zelda on the Binance Smart Chain platform or chain, you're looking at a 300x that they had from there. So just imagine what you can have with this new Ethereum project that's here. Now, again, I'm going to explain everything about this. And if you guys want all of the detail, please stay for the whole entire video. If you are part of Zelda Inu, if you are part of Zelda, please, just remain in the video and watch the whole entire thing because it has a lot of information. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. So anyways, if you didn't know what Zelda was in the beginning, basically it was a cryptocurrency project that was helping out dogs in need, the rescues that house them, helping out the world, really, not just helping out me or helping out you with your investment, but helping out everybody by donating to these places to where we all care about animals. I care about dogs, I care about cats, I care about squirrels, I care about every single type of animal that's out there. And if we can find a way to save them, especially dogs that are neglected, that really need a home, you have them out there and they're doing so much for them. So that's what it's created for. It's more of a charity token to help out these rescues and these dogs that are in need. But also an investment, right? An investment side of things to where you can have different development. Now, they were first launched on the Binance Smart Chain to where you saw the progression. They had a launch where they increased all the way up to about 13 cents. So increasing a heck of a lot, so much. And people were gaining quite a bit out of this and they were donating, they were doing all of this stuff here. But then the crypto market really just took a dive. Everything was hit very, very hard. And what was hit the hardest were altcoins. So what we can say is that we noticed a lot of things in Binance Smart Chain, and a lot of people are trying to get away from the e-news. And I think the main thing that you're trying to do with this overall change is get away from that e-new name, get away from the network that houses a lot of coins that aren't as legit. You're looking for a network like Ethereum that can do so much more for a cryptocurrency, for a project, for a community. And that's what they're moving to. So they're going from Binance Smart Chain over to Ethereum, a real network where they have a lot of investors ready to get onto it, a lot of exchanges or a few exchanges from the beginning, and a bunch of exchanges that are willing to house the cryptocurrency as well. But just to give you some updates on what's going to happen with this move. If you're asking yourself and you're holding Zelda Inu, like, am I going to be able to convert? Is this going to be something where I lose the value in my coins? No, you are not going to lose the value in your coins. You're going to be able to gain these new coins out of it in the Ethereum platform, in the Ethereum network. So it's going to be a transition where you gain a certain amount there over in this new Ethereum network there. So you're going to be able to convert over, whether you're on LBank, it'll automatically do it, or you're on a decentralized platform, you'll be able to manually do it there. But either way, you'll be able to capture these new coins in this new platform there. Now, you can claim through DApp website. And there's basically already 3 exchanges that are going to be a part of this, already 3 large exchanges that are looking to be a part of this and, propel this thing forward. And they're also in talks with others. So it's great to see that they're able to communicate with multiple exchanges here rather than just a couple when you're over on, Binance Smart Chain, which is definitely something interesting. You have an improved contract. You have an improved website, which they're going to be releasing. You have, audits that are coming. You have CertiK audits, which everybody really wants. You want everything audited to make sure everything is legit, and they like to go through that stuff to show you that. New use cases in the form of, you see dog donations, you see NFTs, staking, DApps, future DApp development for animal training, and people to list animal services. So that's definitely something interesting, sort of like what you would see with, I'm trying to think of is it like Rover or something? I can't remember what it's called, but it's basically like that, but for cryptocurrency. And imagine the use cases that you could have there with Zelda Inu, maybe being able to link your wallet and pay with Zelda Inu in the future. So there's definitely some potential to move forward with that as well. Full fresh launch on ETH. So this is where it gets interesting, because if you have a fresh launch on ETH where there's coins that are being launched, the coins that weren't really held throughout it, you have new coins that are being launched. You now have the ability to see that same growth that you saw in the beginning with Zelda Inu, when it was 300 or 3x 300x return. You saw an actual increase, a crazy increase for people that were holding that position. Now with Zelda 2.0, it's something way bigger, and it's going to be way more exciting. So I'm excited to see how this is going to take off. I'm excited to see what's going to transpire. But they do have a new Telegram group. If you guys want to join the Telegram group, I will put the link of that Telegram group down below. Any other links that I do have for like websites and stuff, I don't think is live right now, but this is just to give you guys a breakdown of what's here. But it's super exciting to see that. So they highly recommend that you join the Telegram group. They do have AMAs that they do if you want to ask them questions. They're always over there where you can contact them directly and say like what's going to happen with everything. And release dates will be released soon. But this is just kind of an update to let you guys know that this is coming. And we will have much more content related to Zelda 2.0, because I think that the people behind it, the marketing is just fantastic. It's marketing like I haven't seen before. The levels that they reach out to these exchanges and get listed on exchanges, and the amount of people that they reach is just phenomenal. So I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. I don't know how many times I can say it. But to give you some more information, there's a small private sale that will happen with investors to keep things that are safe, keep things more safe. You have a LP that's locked. You have staking tokens that's locked. You have marketing wallet that's locked, dog rescue wallet that's locked, and team wallet also locked. All of these wallets will be listed on the website when the website is fully released. So there's a lot of things to be excited about here. Not just one, not just two things, but there's a ton of things to be excited about, especially just a launch in general. So I can't wait, but I will include everything, the Telegram down below for you guys. And I will keep making some content on this, here and there, make more videos about this, because I think the launch is going to be insane. And I can't wait to see it in action. And I don't know how many times I could say it. So yeah, definitely check out that link down below. Check out them on Twitter, Zelda 2.0. You're going to see them. Yeah, Zelda 2.0 ETH. You'll be able to figure that out. I will provide that link down below as well if you guys want to go over to their Twitter and follow them on Twitter. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about all of the other links that are down there in the description as well, including Zelda Inu's links, or Zelda 2.0's links. Sorry, I have to get used to that. But anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.